Hi, Vivi. It's a lovely day, isn't it? Vivi! Hey, Vivi! Wait, that was just the balloon sound. It's not scary. Hey, look over there. That was just the sound of a balloon popping.
Wow!
You're right. We should never laugh at someone's fear. But it's better to see what you are scared of. Many things are not really scary. Today is a celebration day. It looks like you're having so much fun. Vivi, it looks like Blocky is scared of something. Vivi, you're scared. You're very scared of something. A loud sound. Animals are scared of loud noises. Turn the music off. That's right. They got scared of the fireworks sound. Vivi, we should never laugh at someone's fear. It's better to first see what we are afraid of. Many things are not really scary. Fireworks are stunning to look at, but their noise can be extremely frightening for many animals. That's because animals have sharper hearing than people and hear sounds much better. Well, that's one solution. But it's good to remember that we should first see what makes us scared. Maybe it's not really scary. Hey friends, if you like this story, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!